Hello traders, this is Day Trader Matt with businesswithtrading.com doing an e-mini trading room strategy recap for the 15th of January, Thursday. And today was another interesting day in the markets. We opened right here. Market did go higher, then it came lower, a little higher, and then a little bit lower. So pretty much a chop day, but it was a very interesting day. Today we did have 4 trades and ended up pulling out 2.5 points. We had a stop at our last trade of the day, and kind of wiped out a little bit. But the most important thing is ending positive. That's pretty much the goal every single day of trading. It doesn't happen every day because it's pretty much impossible to happen every day. But to have really good consistency where the majority of the days you end positively, that's really the main goal of trading. That's where we try to get to, and so far we've been able to do that with the trading room. So let's get into what we actually did on the day. We watched price come up here and start trading down, and then we started trying to get into longs. They were all pretty short trades, pardon the pun. But anyway, our first trade, market did come down a little bit. We did get long. It did come up a little more, and then it, started to roll. We were able to get out of that for a little bit of profit. As price started coming down, we watched things. We ended up getting long over here. Price came back up. We were able to take some profits, and it did roll back over. It is what it is. So about this time, we started looking at things and, kind of getting a vibe of, what's actually playing out. So we did see some support down here. Market did start to buy up, and we decided it looks like a good opportunity to get short. So we were watching things. We ended up getting short right up here and ended up getting out as price started coming a little bit lower. So we got out, let's see, we got in, actually we got in over here. So we got out up here, and we got out right in here. So it was a very quick trade. Just we had our stops in place as the market started buying back up. It just took us out, so we were able to make a little money there. Obviously price came back up. In hindsight, everything's 20/20, but in real time, it's a different story. So anyway, price did come up a little more, and then it started to sell off. As it started selling off, we were watching things. This looked like a good area to grab along. If the price was going to support, it'd have to be somewhere in here, was the thinking. So we ended up getting long over here as price started breaking down, but it just kept breaking down and stopped us out. Sometimes that happens, and that's what happened on this occasion. So it wiped out a little bit of profits, but not all of them, and that's the important thing. We're able to add 2.5 points to our running total and keep going from there. That's definitely the most important thing in my book. You're going to have some trades that are unsuccessful. That's kind of inevitable if you're going to be a trader. I've seen some people come into the market and their first trade they ever place is successful. That usually adds a little bit of over embellishment. Because I see a lot of people that come into the market, they don't really have any plan or system or anything. They're just, well, this guy did it, I can do it. Or I saw this guy on TV do it, I can do it. But if you trade for any amount of time, you're going to have unsuccessful trades. It's going to happen, and really the way that you handle them is going to be quite important. So anyway, I wanted to talk about that a little bit, show what we did on the day. Hope everybody enjoyed the video. Keep the comments coming. If you have any questions, comments, feedback, suggestions, anything, don't hesitate to get in touch. Support at abusinesswithtrading.com. You can also put comments below the video. With that, thanks for watching. Have a great rest of your day, and I'll see you back here in the markets. Thank you.